Before starting up the Gardena Robotic Lawnmower, please clear the lawn of foreign objects such as fir cones, children's toys or smaller obstacles. Switch the mower on and place it in the charging station. Press the stop button and open the cover. Follow the startup guide. You can operate your mower with the standard factory settings or choose your own individual settings depending on the characteristics of your garden. For detailed menu settings, please refer to the Gardena instruction manual. First, set the cutting height to 6 to prevent the mower from damaging the wire. After a few days, you can reduce the cutting height. Your new robotic lawnmower will now start to check your installation. First, the mower carries out a calibration. When this is finished, you must confirm it. It then starts to mow. You can check at any time whether the mower can find the charging station. Position the mower about 3 meters away from the guide wire, making sure it is facing in the direction of the guide wire. Press the park button. When you start the mower, it should follow the guide wire until it reaches the charging station and then dock. Observe the mower at work and adjust the wire if necessary. By defining remote start points on the guide wire, you can specify how often the mower should enter outlying areas of your garden. For example, to start mowing there. You can also define mowing schedules in the menu.